In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to recall a message in Gmail that's already sent. First thing you need to do is use the undo button immediately after sending an email. Once you send an email in Gmail, you'll notice a small message at the bottom left of your screen that says message sent. If you click undo right away, the email will instantly return to your draft like it was never sent. It's that simple. However, if you don't click undo in time and the message disappears, the email has already been delivered and unfortunately, you cannot take it back. But don't worry, there is a way to give yourself more time to recall your emails. You can increase the undo send time to 30 seconds, which gives you a much longer window to act. To do this, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of Gmail. Then click See All Settings. From there, find the Undo Send option and change the cancellation period to 30 seconds. Don't forget to scroll down and hit Save Changes. Now, every time you send an email, you'll have full 30 seconds to undo and take back that email. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.